So today we will solve 2023 CSE paper 1 differential equations questions. Yeah, so we know that we will be starting from section B only anyway. Right? Yeah, this is the first one, fifth one. dy by dx minus 2xy is equal to 2, right? So this is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, right? So the integrating factor will be e power integral p of x dx, right? So what will be the if here? E power minus 2x dx, right? So this will be e power dx square, right? So it will be e power minus x square. So y into e power minus x square is equal to 2 e power minus x square dx, right? Yeah, so see, this is error function, right? What is error function? Is root pi by 2 integral e power minus x square dx, right? So what will be this one? Plus c, of course, right? So this one will be 2 by root pi, right? So this one will be root pi by 2 error function of x plus c, right, into 2, this value. So y e power minus x square is equal to 2 root pi by 2 error function of x plus c. So y e power minus x square is equal to root pi er of s plus c. Now let us substitute y of 0 is equal to 1, right? When x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. 1 is equal to, this will be 0 plus c. So c is equal to 1. So y is equal to e power x square into 1 plus root pi r of f. Yeah, that's it. So 5b, right? See, Laplace of f of t is given as f of p, right? So without loss of generality, let us assume p is equal to s, because we generally solve with s, right? Laplace transform. So see, so we know that L of f of t by t is equal to integral s to infinity f of s, right? This means integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t by t is equal to s to infinity f of, it can be psi, right? F of psi d psi. Put s is equal to 0. This implies 0 to infinity e power 0 is 1 f of t by t is equal to integral s to 0 to infinity f of psi d psi and f of x d psi. Sorry, f of s ds both are same, right? It can be x also, anything. So we have proved the first part, right? Now this one, e power minus t. What is the Laplace transform of e power minus t? It is 1 by s plus 1. E power minus 3t, it will be 1 by s plus 3, right? Now substituting here, right? 0 to infinity e power minus t by t minus 0 to infinity e power minus 3t by t, right? This will be integral 0 to infinity 1 by s plus 1 ds minus 1 by s plus 3 ds. right? This will be ln of s plus 3 by 1 by s plus 1 0 to infinity. This will be ln of 1, sorry, s plus 1 by s plus 3, right? Minus ln of 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 3. This will be log 3. That is for the second question. Now coming to sixth one. So here d cube minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2y is equal to e power x plus cos x, right? So let us find the CF here first. CF will be d equal to 1, will be a trial solution, right? It will be passing. So d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1, right? Minus 1 plus d minus 1. I'm rewriting this, right? This one will be d1 minus d minus 1 whole cube plus d minus 1, and this will be d minus 1 into d minus 1 whole square plus 1, right? So what are the auxiliary equation solution? M equal to 1 and 1 plus or minus I, right? So the solution is x a plus ib, e power x cos x and e power x sin x. These are ifs, right? Now CF complementary functions. Now we have to find pi, particular integral. So what we can do, yeah, d minus 1 into d minus 1 whole square plus 1 e power x plus cos x, cos x by same d minus 1 into d minus 1 whole square plus 1. See, we know that 1 by f of d e power ax v is equal to e power ax into 1 by f of a plus d v, right? We know that from known result, right? So we bring e power x to outside, and d minus 1 in place of d we place d plus 1, right? D into 1 plus d square into 1 e power x 1 by d into 1 plus d square binomial. If you take 1 minus d square, right? Because d power 4 we can ignore anyway, so it will be 1 by d into 1. So this one is x, e power x into x. Now we have another one. This is the first part, right? Another one is d cube minus 3d square plus 4d minus 2 by cos x, right? Since cos x, a is equal to 1, right? Here we generally do with cos ax, right? So d square we can replace with minus 1, d cube with minus d, right? So this will be cos x by plus 3 minus d plus 4d minus 2, right? So this will be cos x by 3d plus 1, right? Now multiply 3d minus 1 both top and cos x, right? 3 into cos x derivative is minus sin x minus cos x by d square. Sorry, this will be 9, right? Minus 9 minus 1, right? So 3 sin x plus cos x by 10. So pi is 3 sin x plus cos x by 10 plus x e power x. Right, and what is the CF is e power x. Sorry, this one is e power x. What is this? This is e power x, right? E power x plus e power x cos x plus e power x sin x C1 C2 C3. That's it. Now 7a. Yeah, so let us try to move this into mdx plus ndy form, right? So 3x square, sorry, mdx, right? So 2x y cube plus 2 into dx plus 3x square y square plus 80 or 4y dy is equal to 0. Let us try to see if it can be exact or not, right? Dou m by dou y is 6xy square. This is m, this is n, right? And dou n by dou x is 6x into y square. Here there is no term, so both are equal. So this is exact. So what will be the exact solution? mdx plus n without x terms dy, right? So this will be integral 2x y cube plus 2 dx plus 8 e power 4y dy. So it is dx is equal to 0. Right, so it is x square y cube plus 2x plus 2 into 4 dy, right? 2 e power 4y is equal to c. And that's it. And we have a lot of questions because this is differential equations. Right, x square p square plus y 2x plus y into p plus y square is equal to 0. We have to substitute y is equal to u and xy equal to v, and we have to solve using Clariot form, right? And also we need to show that y plus 4x is singular solution. Singular solution we can use C discriminant rule, right? So let us solve this. Yeah, so this is x square p square plus 2xyp plus y square p plus y square, right? 2xyp plus y square, yeah. So this is xp plus y whole square plus y square p, right? So x into dy by dx plus y whole square plus y square into dy by dx, right, is equal to 0. So x dy plus y dx whole square plus y square into dx dy is equal to 0, right? This will be d of yx, right, plus y square dy dx is equal to 0. Now let us try to substitute what he given, right? Y is equal to u. This implies dy is equal to du, right? Now x is equal to v by y, right? V by u. Now what will be dx here? xy is equal to v. This implies dxy is equal to dv. Now what will be dx here? dv by u minus 1 by u square. 1 by u square v du, right? So this will be u dv minus v du by u square. This is dx. So now substituting in equation 1, right? dv square is equal dv square plus y square means u square into dx means u dv minus v du by u square into dx. Dx means, see this is dx and dy means du, right? Now dv by du whole square dividing it by dv by du whole square, right? So u square by du whole square u dv minus v du by u square into du dv by du whole square u square cancel here, u dv by du minus v is equal to 0. So this is equal to v u dv by du whole square. So this is of the form y is equal to px plus f of p, right? So what will be the solution? Solution is y is equal to cx plus f of c, right, from clarity equation. So yeah, v means xy, right? U means y into c plus c square, right? So c square plus yc minus xy is equal to 0. Now calculate the c discriminant here. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, right? For this solution, b square is y square minus 4 into 1 into minus xy is equal to 0. Y square plus 4xy is equal to 0. This implies y equal to 0 or 4x plus y is equal to 0. We have to see that y plus 4x is singular solution or not, right? We have got this from c discriminant, but we need to put this in the original equation so that we will get confirm that this is the singular solution, right? So y is equal to minus 4x, right? So dy by dx is equal to minus 4, right? So x square to 16 plus y means minus 4x into 2x plus y means minus 2x, p means minus 4 plus y square means 16x square. So this is 32x square, this one and this one. 4 into 4 16, 16 into 2 32, and 3 minus 32x square is equal to 0. So it is satisfying. So y plus 4x is equal to 0 is singular solution, right? So yeah, so there is one more solution, one more question. So this should be straightforward, right? Y double dash of t minus 4y dash of t plus 3 into y of t is equal to f of t, right? Okay, so Laplace of y of t is equal to f of s, say, right? So L of y dash of t is equal to s into f of s minus f of 0, right? L of y double dash of t is equal to s square into f of s minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0, right? Yeah, so let us substitute this, right? Y square means f of 0 we have given, well, let us y, because we are considering it y, right? So it is s. So it is s square into f of s minus s. This is for second derivative, this is for first, right? S square into f of s minus s minus 4s f of s plus 4 plus 3 into f of s is equal to, so Laplace of f of t is, say, g of s, right? So this implies f of s into s square minus 4s plus 3 plus 4 minus s is equal to g of s, right? So f of s is equal to g of s plus s minus 4 3, right? So g of s by s minus 1 into s minus 3 plus s minus 4 by s minus 1 into s minus 3, right? So let us Let's try to solve the inverse. So y of t will be L inverse of g of s by s minus 1 into s minus 3 plus s minus 4 by s minus 1 into s minus 3. So let us solve this partial equation, partial fraction. S minus 4 by s minus 1 into s minus 3 is equal to a by s minus 1 plus b by s minus 3, right? So a plus b is equal to 1 and 3a plus b is equal to 4, right? So now a is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So this is 3 by 2, 1 by s minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 1 by s minus 3. So what is the inverse for this? 3 by 2 e power t minus 1 by 2 e power 3t. Now we need to get the inverse for this also, right? Yeah, so g of s by s minus 1 into s minus 3, right? So this can be written as g of s by 1 by 2 s minus 1 minus s minus 3 by s minus 1 into s minus 3, right? So half g of s by s minus 3 minus g of s by s minus 1. We need to calculate the Laplace inverse of this, right? So we already know that Laplace inverse of this is e power 3t. We already know that Laplace inverse of this is e power t. We can use convolution theorem, right? So we know that L1 of g of s is equal to f of t. Ln1 g dash of s is equal to e power 3t, right? Where g star say g star of s is equal to 1 by s minus 3. Now we can apply convolution theorem here into say equal to g of t, right? F of t into g of u minus t dt, right? So 0 integral t f of t into e power 3u minus 3t. So e power minus 3t we can take it out, right? Because it is dependent on du only. T is a constant. Yeah, 0 to t f of u t minus u, sorry. F of u e power 3t minus 3u, right? So e power 3t into 0 to t f of u e power minus 3u. Similarly for other one also you will get e power t into 0 to t f of u e power minus u, and we have half, right? Half. So this plus this will be your answer. Yeah. So that's it for today. So let us see how many marks we got for D. They have given in ODE, right? So this is 15 marks, 25, 10, 35, 50, 60, 70 marks we have in ODE. Yeah, it's a very important chapter. Yeah, thanks, that's it.